Yeah, hi, good morning. This video is for Mr. Lawrence. It's market FMAV to let you know that your laser's all done and working as it should be. Basically, I changed the actual laser, which is 99% of the problems anyway. So I put a brand new laser in there. Your cogs were pretty dirty as well. I've given them a clean for you. And your Microswitch, someone's already been in there inside this. Straight away I could tell as soon as I opened it someone had been in there and played about already. I have cleaned your Microswitch. I don't know, it's a little bit rough on that. You know, when you get a clicking noise like it makes a clicking noise, that's when it's time for getting a new Microswitch basically. You know, I've cleaned the heads on it for you anyway. You know, you should get a few more years out of it anyway. You know, just keep getting it serviced now and again. You know, get it serviced every couple of years and you'll be absolutely fine on that. So basically you got a 6-month warranty on the part that I've replaced only. If anything goes wrong with that, you know, you send it back. All we ask for is postage back to you, you know, so the postage, and we replace that free of charge, of course. But not that you should have any problems anyway. But thank you very much, really appreciate your business, and that's going out on the post today for you. Thank you.